The Leander Independent School District is issuing a temporary district-wide mask requirement effective starting tomorrow.
The district has also elevated its response to red after reporting 136 positive COVID cases across its 42 schools.
Leander started keeping track of these cases on August 5th, and as KXAN's Caitlin Carmount reports, it's keeping one of the most extensive tracking dashboards in our area.
The COVID-19 dashboard that they have not only tells parents what day a student or staff member tested positive, but it also tells them what grade level, classes, and rooms they were in before leaving school that day. Mind you, this is not a requirement by Leander ISD. Most Central Texas school districts are simply referring their cases to the local health district. Leander tells me this is purely an effort to be transparent.
My son's been struggling with Crohn's disease since he was 8 years old.
Michelle Gray's son is a senior at Vandergrift High School. Rather than being stuck at remote learning, she wanted him to make the most of his last year.
I really believe in our school district. I think they've done an excellent job for our kids.
With COVID cases on the rise, concerns for her son's health have increased.
I have been writing anyone and everyone I can think of,
pushing for mask mandates in schools. After 4 days of students in class, Leander has added 87 new cases. The highest count total last January was 130 cases over the course of a week.
Right now we're just playing it day by day, and we have multiple options if we think it becomes super dangerous of what we might do.
Vandergrift parents just received a notification from Leander of a positive COVID-19 case Monday, but the numbers don't alarm some out there.
So she's vaccinated, we're all vaccinated, she wears a mask, she washes her hands, she does all the right things. So look, it's something I think we just have to live with, and I'm not too concerned about it all being at school. I think the teachers and the administration here have their safety at their highest priorities.
Now, the plan is to keep that mask requirement in place until September 10th. Trustees will reevaluate on September 9th to consider an extension. Now, students who test positive for COVID-19 are asked to self-isolate for 10 days. Students who come in close contact are asked to quarantine, but the district doesn't report those numbers. The district also tells me campuses are working to facilitate learning at home for students unable to attend school while sick. In Steiner Ranch, Caitlin Carmount, back to you.
Caitlin, thank you. The Texas Education Agency no longer requires schools to do contact tracing because of the low transmission rates among children. Health officials say that low transmission was before the rise of the Delta variant. For more context, there has been a rise in pediatric COVID-19 cases in Austin and Travis County. Today, local health authority Dr. Desmar Walks says since the beginning of July, 74 children under the age of 18 have been admitted to the hospital with COVID-19. 21 of those patients were transferred to the ICU, and at least one child had to be put on a ventilator.